Hello everyone, welcome to your Zoom training from the student end of things. So, what you'll do is you will have received a link from your teacher. All you need to do is to click on that. You will then be taken here, open zoom.us, that's absolutely fine. Click on join with video, because you want to join with the video obviously. Join with video. Connect. Join with computer audio is important as well, and I'm already in a meeting here, so let me mute that. Okay, so here I am right here, and then up here is other me as well, so you can see how it works. Now if other me, teacher Darren on the beach, if I am to go into Zoom and share my screen. Okay, now here I've got for example AS level literature. You can now see this screen here. Okay, now what you can do is your teacher might ask you to annotate things. Okay, and all you need to do is to go to view options, annotate, and now you're going to see all these different things. If you go to draw and you select this one here, format will change your color. Go to draw. You can start highlighting key ideas in text. And you're also able to add text by clicking where you want to add it and writing. Simple as that, okay? And that will appear for everybody else in the room for you to see. You've also got something called stamp, which allows you to tick things, which allows you to say things are wrong. If there's a document that you're doing with your teacher, you could use a question mark if there's something you don't understand, so they can go back to you and explain it. Important information, you could use a star, and so on. You're able to undo things as well, so if you make a mistake, you can undo it, or you can redo it. You've also got arrows as well, which I don't see much use in, but it could be useful. And that is your main thing when it comes to annotating. Your teachers will obviously be sharing information with you. A nice thing you're also able to do though, for example, if I very quickly show you, I'm going to stop sharing this. Sorry, my cat is going crazy. You can't see him, but he's going crazy. If I've got, for example, if I have a PowerPoint up, I'm going to bring it up and share it. What you're also able to do, again, view options, annotate, you're able to interact with the PowerPoint as well. So your teachers will create activities which could use it, but it allows you to really interact with your material and everything that you need to do. And that's all it is. What I would say is that every time, because what happens, for example, is, let me go back and show you. If I share that PDF again, okay, here. Now, if I go again, view options and annotate, I want to use a highlighter. Let's say I've highlighted all of this and I've added some text as well. Great, very intelligent. Okay, what happens is when the teacher starts to scroll down, the annotations and everything scroll down as well. So you've got to really do it one page at a time. Okay, but when you're finished talking or writing about that page, ask your teacher to let you save it, and all you do is you go to save, and it will save it in your computer. This is a Mac, but it will tell you to show in Finder or the equivalent. And if we look here, this is the page that we just saved. So I would basically save every page that you do with your teacher. I would save it into a folder, and then you have these for revision notes. It takes a bit of organization, but it's easily done. And these are the key things to be using for Zoom. If you've got any questions, do let me know. I'm easily contactable. If I don't teach you or don't know you, speak to Cello and she will get in touch with me for you, but should be quite clear. Fingers crossed. Okay, get in touch if you need anything. One last thing I forgot for students. When you're in a lesson and there's more than one or two of you, you're able to raise your hand by doing the following thing. So this is my teacher account that's waving with the green screen, and this is me, the student. All you need to do if you want to raise your hand, click on participants, And then here you'll see raise hand. And that will instantly, on your teacher's account, a little message will say that you've raised your hand and you're wanting to speak. You can also then lower your hand as well if you don't want to contribute. A very useful feature that's going to help you out a lot. As always, let me know if there's anything I can do to help you.